it, my final adventure, my final stroll through the Forbidden Forest, deep in the culmination of Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, Part 2, now available on Blu-ray. My final living moment, for it's in these woods that my nemesis awaits me, and I know, in my lion's heart, that he must kill me. I must sacrifice myself, because I'm a gigantic hero. That's how everyone will remember me. Harry Potter, the boy who lived for a little while, dying selflessly. A really great guy who sacrificed his awesome body to defeat gross Lord Voldemort. But how will my life be celebrated? What will the history books say? What will the biography channel say? Will the final act of bravery outshine many other acts of bravery? Will the heartbreaking tragedy of my death overshadow the heartbreaking tragedy of the rest of my life? But as I look back on my life, I see it all at once. I see all of my friends, Ron, Hermione, all of them. Hogwarts, weekends mostly, the terror of beasts and the brutality of war, forging my broad chest into a calloused, indestructible shield of meat. The sword of Gryffindor, the bow staff of Donatello, adventures in flying cars, in secret trains, and on expensive broomsticks that I didn't have to pay for. I am the 1%. I memories to the world, starting from the beginning, my humble origins. The year is 1991. Nirvana is on the radio. A young boy named Harry Potter is under the stairs. Drive. No friends, no loving parents, just a filthy, insect-infested closet. That's my life. I guess I should be thankful I even have this. As sad as my life is, it could be far more tragic. What was that? Did you say magic? Oh, no, Uncle Vernon, I said tragic. Shut up, boy. There's no such thing as magic. I know that. That's common knowledge. I don't understand why you're yelling at me. Bite your tongue, boy. Petunia!
What's all the screaming? Stop your screaming, boy.
No, it wasn't me screaming off Petunia. Uncle Vernon was just explaining slightly boisterously.
Have you waxed the kitchen floor yet?
No, nobody told me to wax anything. I was just thinking quietly in my generous sleeping quarters that you've so kindly provided me. There'll be no magic in my house. No magic. But I thought you said magic wasn't real. I woke up, Mommy.
You woke up my poor baby. Spank him, Vernon.
Bend over, boy. I'll paddle the magic out of you. Where's my magic paddle? Daddy, can I beat Harry up?
We can all beat Harry up. It's family bonding hour.
Can't we just play Jenga instead? There's no such thing as Jenga. Come away with me, magical world of witchcraft, fantasy, wizard spells. Whoa, sounds cool. You're climbing in my beard.
We were planning on feeding him to Dudley.
You ruined my birthday. It's my birthday. Oh, forget you guys. I'm running away with this gigantic furry man, and there's nothing you can do to stop me. Here we go. What's your name?
Ron Weasley.
So cool sounding. It means something really deep in some ancient druid language. Well, my name is Harry Potter.
Harry Potter, you're really famous. Want to be best friends?
What? Is this a joke? How could someone as cool and well-dressed as you want to be friends with me? This must be a trick. I'm being hazed, aren't I?
I don't know how to haze things. I just want to be your buddy. You know, hang out, eat snacks.
What's a snack?
Buy me some and I'll tell you.
Okay, here's 500,000 galleons.
Oh, yes. Be right back with some delicious wizard treats.
Oh my god, I'm in.
I bought all the treats. All of the wizard treats.
They look delectable. Do I have to eat under a table like I did at home?
What's a table?
Let's just dig in. Wizard treats, wizard treats.
A great big pile of attempted sweets.
Goblin skittles.
Caramel owl.
What a delight to fill my jowls with wizard treats.
Wizard treats.
Lollipops made from dragon meat.
Unicorn twisters.
Cornelius fudge.
Occasional punch from wizard treats.
Wizard treats.
Marzipan shaped like Dumbledore's feet.
What a delicious candy rat.
That was my pet.
Well, fancy that.
Running on every flavor bean.
You've more flavors than your wildest dreams.
This one's pickle.
Ooh, pecan.
I got peppermint.
Good one, Ron. Hey, I got one.
Collard green.
This one actually tastes like beans.
This one's dog hair.
I got stale bread.
This one tastes like traces of lead. This one's spit.
This one tastes like a pile of bricks. Wizard treats.
Wizard treats.
Wizard treats. Could you please stop yelling about wizard treats? Studying the work of English poet John Keats. Wow, a girl. What's your name? My name is Hermione. I'll be your level-headed friend. Thanks. I was just noticing that Ron's head is lopsided.
It will be great to have two beautiful friends.
Then it's settled. We are now friends. I'll be in the next compartment. Quiet, Ron. Why, Snape? Did you fart? Snape farted, Ron.
I'll ignore that, but I cannot ignore the flagrant defilement of school property that you're committing in plain sight. Spray paint is forbidden from Hogwarts.
Yeah, well, you'll just have to deal with it, Snape. Ron and I are fighting Voldemort. Yeah, that's right. We're fighting the Dark Lord every day. What do you do, Snape? You just go home after school and watch PBS in a bathroom.
Antiques Roadshow is riveting. You don't know what I do for our cause, and you're clearly just drawing me. Lockers. 100 points from Gryffindor.
Oh no! I want points!
Look, Snape, we're just gonna win those points back at the end of the school year. Dumbledore will give us some BS special prize for finding Voldemort in your underwear drawer.
My underwear are well organized and locked away from you and the Dark Lord.
Wow, Snape, it sounds like we've really bothered you.
You stay away from me. No, 10 points from Gryffindor.
Bother.
I will not be bothered. Bother. No. You despise dream, fill you up with misery. When you snake, oh no. But it's okay to feel like Snape, to feel so sad and grumpy. Just relax, there's no escape. At least you're in good company. I've been bothered again. They treat me like a compost heap. Sometimes I could almost weep. I am Snape, Severus Snape. But when it's night and I sleep, I dream of just the strangest things. A stunning pair of angel wings. The flying snake. Oh yes. And it's okay. This place or somewhere new. I soar until I wake. I fall. That's all I'll ever do. What the? This isn't one of my memories. Get out of here, Snape. Go. Fame isn't everything, Mr. Potter. Like you would know. Fame sucks a golden stitch. It's just constant pressure, constant demands. I've had dark times. Dark times.
Hey, Harry. Dumbledore said he's awarding you Student of the Year.
Oh, that's cool. Tell him I accept. Harry, the Daily Prophet did an article on your accomplishments as a Quidditch champion. Oh, pretty good. Maybe I'll read it someday.
The Hogsmeade Town Council called. They want to name a street after you.
Yeah, I can dig that. Harry Potter Avenue. Oh, Lavender Brown asked me if you would sign her yearbook. What? You want me to hold a quill and lift my hand? I can't take this pressure! I can forge your signature if you want. Get out! Leave me alone! I'm going to explode! Sometimes I wish I could escape this universe. Even for a little while. There's got to be like a cool spell that will take me out of here. It would probably be something cool and Latin sounding like Exiticus Harry Potter Universe. What happened? Where did the school go? Everything's so unmagical all of a sudden. This must be the real world. Wow, check it out. It's so real, yeah. 3D, wow. I wonder where I am. This place is even bigger than Hogwarts. Every wall is lined with children's literature awards. And, something smells like flowers and fresh laundry. What to write? Ah, yes. Oh my God, it's J.K. Rowling. She's beautiful. What was that? Oh, Harry, I wasn't expecting you. You look lovely, my baby child. I was just working on my new book. A new book? Does that mean more adventures for me, Harry Potter? Oh no. I'm writing a very important book. It's a biography of Napoleon Bonaparte.
That sounds like a cool wizard name. Do I at least show up in it?
No, that wouldn't make sense, Harry. He died almost 200 years ago.
Yeah, time turners, come on, you wrote the rules.
No, Harry, there's no magic in this book. I'm striving for historical accuracy, for this will be the book that I am known for.
No, that's wrong. Stupid, awful, no, disgusting. Put me in your book.
No.
Give it to me, come on, I'll write it.
No.
I want to kill the Dark Lord Napoleon.
No, you can't, Harry.
Is there Quidditch? You need Quidditch.
I want this to be taken seriously.
Some people take Quidditch pretty seriously.
They do, don't they? Well, I suppose I could put one Quidditch scene. Just one.
Yes, I am a great writer.
Napoleon straddled his broomstick. What position would he play?
Seeker, he's totally a seeker.
Oh, right, because of his height.
I am a respectable foot and a half.
What am I doing? I'm ruining my book. Even here, in stately Rowling Manor, I can't escape from you, Harry. I can't escape my legacy. Well, that settles it. I'm taking a vacation to finish this book. I'm going somewhere where I can avoid the name Harry Potter completely. Going somewhere where there's no magic whatsoever. I'm going to Brooklyn, New York. Goodbye, Harry. Good luck. That sounds like a terrible place. Well, I guess I'll go back to my universe. At least I'm respected there. Returno literatoriumicus.
Didn't hurt this much the first time.